Hello friends, today we're going to be working on this Nissan Qashqai 2017 model. We've got the problem here is that the left hand side door mirror indicator is damaged, so it's not working. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the old indicator off from the mirror, and we're going to fit the new one. So just going to start the procedure. Right, so in order to remove the indicator, we'll have to remove the mirror itself from here, okay, and then a couple of screws and the clips, and that's what's gonna give us the access to the actual indicator screws. So the way we're gonna remove the mirror is that we're gonna position it all the way down like this. Right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a pick tool to lift the clips up here to open it. Yeah, there we go. That's the mirror out of the way. So yeah, so these are the clips, one here, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So these are the two clips which you just pull upwards to release the mirror from the base. So just gonna rest the mirror to the side in this manner. Right, so next we're gonna remove 3 screws which are holding this mechanism here. There we go, that's one of the screws. One here. And one under here. There you go. So that's the third screw out of the way. We're using T10 to remove these screws. So now we can just pull this mirror adjustable motor to the side. Alright, to make our life easier, I'm gonna undo these connectors because they are completely in the way. We also have to remove the screw here. That's for the camera. Right, there are 3 more screws to undo. This one, that one, and this one. That's for the actual indicator. They're all same size screws. T10, and the length is same. And one here. There we go. Next we'll have to undo the clips which are securing the mirror cover. One in here. There we go. So that's the mirror out of the way. So just gonna rest it down in this manner. There we go. So just gonna show you the damage here. It got struck by some impact. So basically these are the LED units. Once they get hit by something, the whole thing will not work because they are interlinked. So next what we're going to do is we're going to remove this connector here. like this. Okay, so this is the connector out of the way. Then there's a clip here which you undo, and the whole thing just pulls out. Right, here comes our new part. The make is Platinum Plus, and the part number is 4777 00091. There we go. So that's the new indicator unit. So next what we're going to do is we're going to connect this unit, and we're going to test it before securing everything back onto the car. Right, here we go friends, it's working fine. So now what we're going to do is we're going to turn it off and then assemble it back onto the car. Right, so the way mirror gets fitted is it's got the two clips on this side. So we're going to clip it in first in this manner. Okay, like this. Right, so you can see the indicator is secured, but we're gonna fully secure it with the screws. So we're done from this side. So next what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring in the cover, and we're just gonna clip it in this manner, like this, and then just gonna line up the bottom part. There we go. Perfect. It's got a little crack here because that's where the impact was, which cracked the indicator as well. But it's okay, we're just going to leave it as it is at the moment. And one goes here. One goes in there. There we go. One goes here in the bottom. Perfect. Right, so next we're gonna fit the motor, which goes here in this manner, like this. Right, here we go. That's all the screws for the indicator and the motor nicely secured. Right, so next we're gonna fit in the mirror. So the first thing I'm gonna do is we're gonna fit the harness connector like this. There we go. That's harness connector connected. The hardest bit here was to undo the clips at the top. So you got the two clips on this side at the top and two clips on this side at the top. So basically the clips are located here and here on the other side of the mirror. Okay, so this point here and this point here, and there are two clips on each side of the top corner. Two here, two there, and then two at the bottom. They don't matter as long as you can undo the top ones. The bottom will just come apart. So just gonna line up the just gonna position it here in this manner, and we're just gonna press the mirror back. There we go. So that's the mirror fully secured. Right, here we go friends, job done. I hope you find my videos helpful. Thank you very much for watching the video.